Well, as that ugly standoff continues, the junior cricket team from Sri Lanka, which arrived in Chennai to participate in a private tournament, was sent back owing to security concerns. The 16-member team had arrived from Colombo last night and were put up in an accommodation in the city. They were then denied permission to participate in the tournament this morning owing to security reasons. They later left for home. The Under-15 private tournament is scheduled to be held from August 4th to August the 7th. The incident comes close on the heels of a derogatory article against Chief Minister Jayalalitha on the Sri Lankan official website, which had also a graphic image of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Well, Headlines Today has in fact spoken with the organizer of this particular tournament, Harun. Let's listen into what he had to say.
Under-15 cricket team has been sent back from India and they're back to Sri Lanka. Now we have with us Mr. Harun Rashid. Mr. Rashid, you are the organizer of the tournament. What is this tournament and why has the Sri Lankan team, the Under-15 cricket team, been sent back?
Sir, we have been organizing this for the past 8 years. This is 22nd tournament. We have already given letter to the city police commissioner and all the top police bosses, stating that this Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Malaysia and all other teams we have invited, and they are coming here. Due to the reasons for visa, Bangladesh and Pakistan couldn't able to succeed in that, couldn't able to come. Only Malaysia and Sri Lanka has come. Last night, forcefully, the team has been...
No, what was forcefully? Why force was applied?
No, I will not say force. The police people came and requested, we cannot give security due to various other reasons. So they requested us to cooperate with them. We have cooperated with them and we have requested the team.
What was the anticipation? Why were they fearing? Was there any danger to the cricket team? You had given a letter for the security.
That 1 month back I have given a letter, not now.
So what were they fearing?
The fearing is that local, some people, some Tamil organization may protest against this. But this is only a sports. When we went to Sri Lanka last year, our team is the runners. We have been given an arousing welcome and a traditional dance, Sri Lankan dance with dance, they welcomed us. This also we have to see only in that manner. I don't know why this has happened. It is really very sad.
Do you anticipate any sort of politics or what is it behind? Do you anticipate a conspiracy behind it?
I don't think the local police knows everything about this. They said due to security reasons, please cooperate. And by 1 o'clock, the hotel owner has been requested to vacate the room. We have vacated. The police has given escort up to the airport. And they have been boarded and put them in the airport.
What was the reaction of your counterparts in Sri Lanka? How did they take the entire thing?
It's so sad to say. They come across, I have not spoken to them because really it is shameful to me. Because when we went there, we have been given such an arousing welcome. I couldn't able to say anything, so I have not attended their phone.
Did you speak to anybody in the government on why such a thing is happening? And did you speak to the police commissioner there?
We have already given a letter now.
But did you speak to them when this incident happened?
No, I have not spoken.
Why didn't you speak to them?
My people, my honorary secretary and my son was there. They have spoken. They said, don't speak anything now. The situation is worse. Please cooperate with us. Take them to airport and board them back.
Do you anticipate the current political party behind the entire thing in Tamil?
I will not say that. I will not say that. I will not say that.
Thank you so much.
It's only a sports. One have to see this in sports angle, not in other political angle.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So that was Harun Rashid very clearly saying that yes, it is very shameful that the Under-15 of Sri Lanka had to return back. But at the same time, he also says that sports should be taken as sports and no politics should be involved. With camera person Manoj Sangwan, this is Ashish Mehrishi reporting for Headlines Today.